natural allure that people just cannot get enough of. You have a refined quality that draws others in. You are very eloquent, you are very graceful, you are very sharp, you are very witty, highly intelligent. You have a mind of a genius. People are intrigued by the way that you think, your conversations. Very strategic. You know when to maneuver your way in and out of situations. You have a very distant quality that makes people yearn and want you more. Very open, however. You're not very closed off. Once people get to know you, they warm to you. They find that you're very relatable. You are a people's person, but you do have boundaries. You are no one's fool. You know how to outsmart others who have tried to overcome you. You can see through situations. You can see through people's intentions. And you're not afraid to cut people off. Yes, you do have emotions, but at the same time, you have a healthy balance between your mental and your emotional. You have the capability to heal others just by your presence alone. You are a shoulder to cry on for many. People find healing with you. When you're not around, people yearn to connect with you. There's a very transformative energy that you possess. You help others to unearth hidden fears, hidden traumas, and to transmute them. You help others to see what was hidden, what was affecting them. You are able to transform yourself. You are very balanced, extremely charming, extremely good looking. You have morals, you're graceful. You believe in fairness and equality. You are loved by all. You can connect to many different people from all walks of life, regardless their background, their religion. You genuinely love people. A lot of people look up to you, a lot of people respect you, and a lot of people admire you. You are extremely talented. Many people are very taken aback by how much talent you actually possess. Some of you could be entertainers, creators, athletes, singers, psychologists, doctors, mechanics, engineers, lawyers, nurses. And you just have this cheerful quality that exudes love. And it exudes that you love what you actually do. And you have that energy whereby you raise a vibration in the room, in whatever room that you enter. You make people feel good. You leave a lasting impression. Many people try to study you, try to get into your mind, try to understand your way of thinking because they feel as if your way of thinking is before its own time. Many people want to learn you. They want to be as great as you because you are multi-talented. Many people find you to be an enigma. Someone with so much talent, but someone that is so closed off. Yes, you can be open once you allow others the opportunity to get close to you. However, you genuinely prefer your own company. Maybe you prefer your own company so that you can think of more ideas. You prefer your own company also so that you can heal, reset, rebalance yourself. You understand that when you are alone, you're never alone. You understand that healing is a must, and not scattering your energy to everyone is healthy. You understand yourself. And a lot of people are very intrigued by your way of being, because some people feel like if they had your looks or your talent or your way of being, your charisma, they will be out there in the world showing it off all the time. And you get that, but you've got a healthy balance. You are a showstopper. You are an entertainer. So you've got this way about you whereby you have your showwoman or showman side, and then you have your private side, which we generally all have. But there is a huge contrast, because when you're out in the public, or you're performing, or you're working, there's an energy that you are exuding that is otherworldly. There's an energy that is captivating. You know, people stop and stare. When you walk into the room, people look at you. Who's that person? Who is he? Who is she? You have a walk of authority. You have an energy that speaks and commands authority, even if you haven't even said a word. The way you move, the way you walk is of importance. People know that you are someone of importance. They can't quite put their finger on what you do, but if they get the opportunity to see what you do, they realize why they saw you in the light that they saw you in. And then they want to learn you and understand you. Some of you could definitely be in the public eye, or you're destined to be in the public eye. And once people get to know you, they realize that you're so different from how you are in public. And this is intriguing. Many people may want to gift you. Many people may want to offer you positions of power, collaborate with you, offer you a commitment. And you may find that, unfortunately, some family members may have been very vengeful towards you, you know, wanting to slow you down. Instead of supporting you, instead of celebrating you, you may have found that there was a lot of jealousy, possibly from someone that was an elder, you know, maybe a grandparent, maybe a parent for some of you, maybe a sibling, maybe cousins. They too could see your light. And you may not have had that support from these individuals or this person that you should have. They didn't want to give you this support because they could see that you were destined for great things. And regardless of the fact, and for some of you, unfortunately, you may have come out of a tumultuous marriage, is what I'm hearing. Or you may have grown up in a home whereby it wasn't quite stable. And this was the fuel that you used to push you into success. Nothing was handed to you. You have earned everything that you have worked for, and you are deserving. You are a testament to many that it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter your background. If you have a talent, if you have that self-belief, you will make it. Spirit, God, whoever you believe in is on your side to make sure that you make it, so that other people like you can see that they can make it too. You are inspiring. You are a leader. You are a role model. Whether you realize that or not, you give people hope. And you practice self-love by just accepting yourself Very inspiring, very intelligent. But people may have tried to downplay your intelligence and your qualities. People may have tried to block your blessings, fearful that you are going to achieve the dream. And they can see that you're not your average. But regardless of the fact, with your innovative ways, with your talent, with your skills, with your charisma, you're going to go far. And some of you have made it already. And it was written. So whatever anyone tries to do is pointless. Yeah, they may have blocked you, but then you can take another route. Because you're destined to be seen, my darling, and you're destined to shine. Many people are attracted to your allure, charisma, presence, but most of all, your talent.